Class 9th math, and today we shall take up another chapter, that is triangles. So after completion of lines and angles, there is one more chapter, that's triangles, a very important chapter. Now, what is a triangle? Let me make you understand by making use of our Kashmiri language. Triangle क्या गई? Triangle गई अक्सु शक्ल या त्रे साइड आसन, अक्सु शक्ल या त्रे साइड आसन, closed figure. A closed figure made up of three sides is called a triangle. पता पतमन क्लास में पर्मुत ट्रायंगल क्या गई? ट्रायंगल गई सह शक्ल यस त्रेन साइडन हज बनियाम। तुम थ्रो नजर पे ये त्रे साइड ए बी बी सी ए सी बे बंद प्रत साइड बंद क्लोज्ड फिगर त्रो साइडो सत बनियाम तथ क्या वन ट्रायंगल। सो दिस ए ट्रायंगल। या बेटा त्रे त्रे एंगल त्रे साइड गड पे त्रे एंगल which is three vertices. A triangle has three sides, three angles, and obviously three vertices. So this is a triangle. There was some triangle क्या गई? तो sixth पर पढ़ो sixth में triangle क्या गई? Triangle गई तीन साइडन हो शक्ल इस बंद है प्रत साइड। अगर अंग्रेजी पढ़ पढ़ो तो triangle is a closed polygon or closed figure made up of three sides or three intersecting lines. So a triangle has three angles, three vertices, and three sides. So this is the definition of a triangle. तम पत ये triangle किस पर करियो तुम classify आठ मुख्तलिफ किस्म। Triangle can be classified by types of triangle. Types of a triangle by considering sides. By sides. ये तुम साइड करियो कंसिडर अमिक साइड तेल त्रे किस्म। गोडो किस्म तुम पता तथ वन इक्विलेटरल 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 ट्रायंगल। तरह वन इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल क्या गए? शाबाश। इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल गए सु ट्रायंगल या तमाम साइड इक्वी गो बराबर, लेटरल गए साइड्स, इक्विलेटरल गए बराबर साइड को इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल गए सु ट्रायंगल या तमाम साइड पानवे आसन बराबर। अगर यह 3 सेंटीमीटर, यह 3 सेंटीमीटर, यह 3 सेंटीमीटर. So an equilateral, when we consider the sides of a triangle, there are 3 types of triangle. First type is equilateral triangle. What is an equilateral triangle? It is a triangle in which all sides are equal. So I think this is very clear to you. Which person you go to equilateral triangle? कुछ triangle के सारी side आसन पानवें बराबर. Then isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle के सो triangle या कहाँ ज़ side आसन बराबर. So ये side थी ये side है बराबर या ये side थी ये side है बराबर. अगर ये 3 सेंटीमीटर, ये 3 सेंटीमीटर, ये 2 सेंटीमीटर. Go isosceles triangle is a triangle in which 2 sides are equal. You see here, this is 3 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter. So 2 sides, whenever 2 sides of a triangle are equal, it is called an isosceles triangle. So we are considering the sides of a triangle, and there are 3 types of triangle. First is equilateral. Equilateral, when all the 3 sides of a triangle are equal, it is called equilateral triangle. And isosceles triangle, when 2 sides of a triangle are equal, it is called what? Isosceles triangle. Third type is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle is a triangle where suppose this is 2 centimeter, this is 3, and this is 4, in which all sides are of different lengths. Scalene triangle के सो triangle ये तमाम side आसन मुख्तलिफ. तमाम side ये 2 centimeter, ये 3, ये 4. ये गई scalene triangle. वही तो याद कि इस पर side चीज का consider आठ 3 किस्म triangle शासन 3 किस्म. गोडी triangle के equilateral triangle या सारी side आसन बराबर. दोयम triangle च isosceles triangle या 2 side आसन बराबर. त्रीम triangle च scalene Scalene triangle गई यह कहाँ साइड पानवे बराबर छ आसान कहीं इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल पे मुतलिक वन मैं ब्याह करते क्योंकि साइड छ बराबर सारी एंगल ते आसान बराबर आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल छ ज साइड बराबर ज साइड इहद अपोजिट ज एंगल ते आसान बराबर स्केलेन ट्रायंगल्स आसान अकिस कहाँ एंगल बराबर कहीं थो जमन याद बहरहाल I think this is clear to you. When you consider the sides of a triangle, there are three types of triangles. First type is equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all sides are of equal lengths. Second is isosceles triangle. What is an isosceles triangle? When the two sides of a triangle are equal, it is called isosceles. Third is scalene. When all the three sides are of different lengths, it is called a scalene triangle. So when you consider the sides of a triangle, we have got three types. And when you consider the angles of a triangle, there are again three types of a triangle. So there are, when you consider sides, there are three types, and when you consider angles, there are again three types. First is acute angular triangle. Acute angular triangle. Acute angular triangle go ये तमाम एंगल आसान acute मतलब acute angle छु तोह पोरमुत 6th to 7th मज acute angle गो यमुक मेजर आइस नमते खुद कम 0 खुद अलाव less than 90 but more than 0 degree, so that is an acute angle. यह मच सारी एंगल आसान acute थो याद acute angular triangle के सो triangle यहाँ तमाम जाविये या तमाम एंगल आसान acute. सपोज अगर ये 60 ये 50 ये 70 तो सारी एंगल डिफरेंट सारी एंगल नमत खुद कम एंगल बी 60 नमत खुद कम एंगल सी 50 नमत खुद कम एंगल ए 70 नमत खुद कम. When all the three angles are acute, and acute means less than 90 degree, this is called an acute angular triangle. Second is a right angular triangle. Right angular triangle. So what is a right angle? When one angle of a triangle is equivalent to 90 degree. You'll better arc angle I say 90 degree बराबर triangle is a right angular triangle. When one angle of a triangle is equivalent to 90 degree, or you can say when the measure of one angle of a triangle is 90 degree, it is called a right angular triangle. Third type is obtuse angular triangle. Obtuse angular triangle. What is an obtuse angular triangle? When the measure of one angle is more than 90, this is 110 suppose, 120, 130, 140, 160, so on, less than 180. Obtuse means when the measure of an angle is more than 90 but less than 180. So it is called an obtuse angle. And when the measure of one angle of a triangle is more than 90 degree, it is called an obtuse angular triangle. Question point 1 येले अख एंगल आसे नमते खुद अलाव अख शीत खुद कम एकस ट्रायंगल मज अथ वना obtuse angular triangle ओ समझ बे वनमो बे acute angular triangle ये तुम कंसीडर करियो एंगल अथ बे त्रे टाइप गोडियो टाइप छ तथ वना acute angular triangle अथ मज तमाम जाविये आसान नमते खुद कम. दोयम टाइप छ right angular triangle तथ मज अख एंगल आसान 90 डिग्री बराबर. त्रेम टाइप छ obtuse angular triangle तथ मज आसान अख एंगल नमते खुद अलाव. तो यम गई ऐसे टाइप ये तुम करू कंसीडर क्या एंगल्स. सो let me recapitulate. What is a triangle? Triangle is a closed figure formed by three intersecting lines. A triangle obviously has three angles, three vertices and three sides. And when you consider the sides of a triangle, there are three types of a triangle. First is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all sides are equal. Then it is isosceles triangle is a triangle which has two sides equal. Then scalene triangle in which all sides are of different lengths. So when you consider the sides of a triangle, and when you consider angles of a triangle, there are again three types. First is acute angular triangle. When the measure of all angles of a triangle are less than 90 degree, it is called acute angular triangle. and then it is a right angle triangle. When the measure of one angle of a triangle is equivalent to is equivalent to 90 degree, it is called a right angle triangle. And obtuse angle triangle is a triangle in which the measure of one angle is more than 90 degree. It is called an obtuse angle triangle. So these are the types of triangles when you consider sides and when you consider angles of a triangle. Now, in class 9th, the main thing is that we have to discuss when are two triangles said to be congruent. What does this mean? Congruent mean? What does this word congruent mean? Congruent. Two figures are said to be congruent when they are equal in shape and size. One of the congruent kya go? Kashir poet. The shakal gay congruent tele. Yel ihund shakal te aisi yel ihund size te aisi hui. Two triangles are said to be congruent when their shape is same. Shape means here the triangle it is triangular, and when their size is also same. So shape and size. Shape and size. This is very important. Shape and size. When the shape and size of two figures is same, their figures are said to be congruent. Congruent means when the shape and size of two figures or more than two figures is same, they are called what? Congruent. Now there are some criterion for two triangles to be congruent. Let us discuss those. First criteria is criteria for two triangles to be congruent or rules of congruency. Rules of congruency are criteria of two triangles to be congruent. Now beta the triangle kis pai hekan congruent geshit em khatar chi criteria gondo criteria chi SAS. You go beta side angle side angle side. So two triangles are said to be congruent when two triangles, we are considering here triangles, when are two triangles said to be congruent? First rule or first criteria is that SAS. What is this SAS? SAS. This is suppose ABC and this is PQR. This is side angle side. This is side. This side is equivalent to this side. This side is equivalent to this side. And the included angle which these equal sides have. This is the angle between these two sides. When two sides of one triangle are equal to the when two sides and included angle of one triangle are respectively equal to the corresponding two sides and included angle of another triangle, then two triangles are said to be congruent. This is the first rule, first criteria for two triangles to be congruent. Question point one mob the triangle gay temak congruent yel the side to be to darmini angle is barabar till gets the triangle kya congruent. The congruent heko is particular triangle ABC congruent it is put trawn equal to pet travel. This is the sign of congruency PQR. Yet rule of Shivana SAS rule. Side angle side rule. Side angle side rule. मेरी बात ये आओ तो समझ ये side is बराबर ये side is बराबर बेस दरमियानी एंगल बराबर या अगर ना ये side नमो इसकी suppose अगर इस नमो ये side बराबर ये side बराबर आठ कुछ दरमियानी एंगल ये एंगल A इसके बराबर एंगल DS अगर तिल gets the triangle congruent. So two triangles are said to be congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are respectively equal to the two sides and one included angle of another triangle, then two triangles are said to be congruent, and this rule is called SAS criteria or SAS congruency rule. So this was first rule. Then second rule is SSS. You go side to side. बेटा एस 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 मतलब क्या गो साइड 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 ये त्रे साइड एक ट्रेंगल हिंद आसान बराबर त्रेन साइडन तुम त्रियो नजर यम गए जो ट्रेंगल ये गई ए बी सी ये गो पी क्यू आर ये साइड आस बराबर ये साइड आस बराबर ये साइड आस बराबर बस जो ट्रेंगल गई कॉन्ग्रुएंट बाय एस एस when all the three sides of one triangle are respectively equal to the three sides of another triangle, then two triangles are said to be congruent. You go better the rule A B C go congruent triangle PQR because AB is barabar PQS, BC is barabar QRS, AC is barabar PRS. Tell you three sides is barabar एक triangle B triangle the triangle gay congruent. You go second rule SSS rule by SSS rule. This second rule when all the three sides of one triangle are respectively equal to the corresponding three sides of another triangle, then two triangles are said to be congruent. This is rule number second. Now rule number third is, so this is SSS was second rule. Third is AAS ASA. You go angle side angle. When two angles and an included side. You better ABC. You go PQR AAS. ये एंगल बराबर ये एंगल बराबर बेगोस ये साइड इमन दरमियानी साइड ये साइड बराबर टू ट्रायंगल के कॉन्ग्रुएंट द ट्रायंगल के कॉन्ग्रुएंट ABC को कॉन्ग्रुएंट PQR when angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, and this side BC is equal to QR. Two triangles are said to be congruent by ASA congruency rule. Congruency rule go ये angle तो अख side गणित वुचु तुई ज साइड तो अख एंगल आसान बराबर त्रीम गो त्रिनवे साइड त्रीम रूल गो दिल ज एंगल तो अख साइड एक ट्रायंगल हुन आस बराबर ज एंगल तो अख साइड बिग ट्रायंगल हिंदन तेल के हम ज ट्रायंगल क्या कॉन्ग्रुएंट अगर इस पर when two angles and one side of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles and one side of another triangle, then two triangles are said to be congruent. Tzoorim rule छ RHS. RHS mean R go right angle, H go hypotenuse side. You go right angle, hypotenuse and side. You see that right triangle. Right angle go right angles barabar. Hypotenuse so hypotenuse minimum as arc side is barabar. Tell get the triangle congruent. When hypotenuse of right angle hypotenuse one side of one right triangle are respectively equal to right angle hypotenuse and one side of another triangle, then two triangles are said to be congruent. These are the four rules of congruency. I think this is very clear to you. Let me repeat the rules. SAS rule. SAS rule, congruency rule means when two sides and one angle of one triangle are respectively equal to two sides and one angle of another triangle, then two triangles are said to be congruent. Second is SSS. When all the three sides of one triangle are respectively equal to all the three sides of another triangle, then two triangles are said to be congruent. This is SSS congruency rule. Third is ASA. When two angles and one side of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles and one side of another triangle, then two triangles are said to be congruent. Fourth rule is RHS. When RHS means right angle, hypotenuse and side of one right angle are respectively equal to right angle, hypotenuse and one side of another triangle, then two triangles are said to be congruent. These are the four criterion laid for the two triangles to be congruent. So these are called congruency rules or criteria for congruency of two triangles. So tomorrow inshallah we shall take up the exercise, questions of exercise. Till then, Allah Hafiz.